Hey guys, today we're going to go over how to basically the workflow of sending contracts to a client and getting those contracts electronically signed. So to start, you're going to want to go to the client database and choose the client that you want to send a contract to. Then you want to click Add Contract, and then you want to choose your contract and click Submit. And if you click the Contracts tab, you'll see that we've now attached this to a client. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to send it to that client. You can currently see right now it hasn't been viewed, it hasn't been signed. You can view the contract to see what the user is going to see, and you can edit it. Now, keep in mind that this edit button goes away once the client signs it. So if you need to make any changes, make those changes before the client signs it. So next thing you're going to want to do is copy this link. If you just click anywhere, you'll see that it gets copied. And we're going to email it to this client. So next I'll click the mail feature. I'll choose a template. And we'll just send this link. And something else I've noticed, a lot of users, when they send their contracts or invoices, they just paste the link in there. You can do that, but if you want to clean it up a little bit, what I like to do is if you highlight, for instance, contract, and then you click this link right here, you can just paste the link in there and hit save, and then the whole link isn't displayed. It just displays like that. So then I click send email, and that email will be sent to myself. So now I can open this email, and there we go, and then now I can sign it. And then so basically we used to have a signature pad. We got rid of the signature pad. The signature pad wasn't compatible between all browsers. The input field is. So now your clients won't have issues if they're using an outdated browser. So once your client enters their name, they're going to click sign contract. And now they've officially signed this contract, and you can have as many signatures as you like. There's no limit. So now that the client has signed the contract, I, as the user, received a notification. So it says Jonathan Ringeisen has just signed their contract. So I received this notification anytime a contract or anytime a client signs. So if you get, say you have 4 signatures, each time a client signs, you'll receive an email letting you know that that client signed their contract. And you can view the audit trail of who's signed. So currently Jonathan Ringeisen has signed. And the download feature isn't here yet because the photographer hasn't signed. So once the photographer signs, the contract's considered complete, and then you have the ability to download it. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. So as the photographer, you're going to want to copy the link and then just pull it up in the browser. And there we go. And it says right here, add photographer signature. So I click here. I'm just going to use my wife's name. Click sign contract, and then it says your signature was successful. Now, when you click sign contract, it creates a job and it runs in the background. So it might take a minute or two for this to update. So it's already updated. It was pretty quick. As you can see, it's now complete because I have the ability to download the contract. And then I also will have received 2 emails. So basically all parties have successfully signed. This is the one that you'll receive. Hi, Jonathan. All parties have successfully signed your contract. And then you can either log in to view it or you can download it from here. And then if you want to view it, you can download it. And there it is. And then there's both the signatures. And that is it for the new contracts feature.